Good evening, guys. Let me show you the performance dashboard in Google Sheets. It was made for an online clothing store and it shows the main KPIs and how they progress towards the targets. The main KPIs are revenue across 3 countries, gross profit, advertising spend, and the traffic from their website. The revenue is pulled automatically from Google Analytics, and it uses Google Analytics add-on for Google Sheets. Gross profit is entered manually on the gross profit tab. Advertising spend is pulled automatically from Facebook ads. They use only Facebook ads as their advertising platform, and it's pulled automatically with Supermetrics add-on for Google Sheets. Then we have the traffic, and the traffic is pulled with Google Analytics add-on, like revenue. The targets for each KPI is entered manually. For example, let's see the revenue target tab. You can see that the user enters the target for each month, and then on the dashboard, if you select any month, for example September, you can see the actual amounts for that month and the targets for that month. If you select the full year, then all months are summed up and the targets displayed for the full year and the actual amounts are displayed for the full year. These progress bars are made with conditional formatting. This dashboard looks simple, and I think a good dashboard should be simple and give the information in the clearest way, so you just can open the spreadsheet with the dashboard and see where you are, see how are you progressing with your actual amounts towards the goals. And of course, take appropriate actions if something is not as good as you expected. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please post in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. Also, please read the description of the video. It has useful information. And keep safe, guys. Goodbye.